Right. Need to do a little algebra here, but it shouldn't be a problem. They want us to simply find the value of x. They don't need to find what either of the angles are. Now, let's take a look at what we know. It is given to us that these two sides are congruent, which means that it's an isosceles triangle, and that means that these two base angles are congruent. So that means if angle R, right here, measures 5x minus 30, then angle STR, right here, measures the exact same, so we can then say, okay, that must also be 5x minus 30, and how does that help us? Because if this is 5x minus 30 like this is, then 5x minus 30 plus 5x, hopefully you know that's a linear pair and it is supplementary, should sum to 180. So what can we do with that? We can just take the two pieces of information, 5x minus 30, sorry about that, plus 5x is equal to 180 degrees because they are a linear pair. And now we're just doing the algebra to solve it. We've got 10x minus 30 equals 180. Sorry, that's a 0 there. It's a little messy. And when we solve this out, we get 10x is equal to 210. And then when we divide both by 10, the coefficient on the variable, we get that x is equal to 21. That's our answer, and that's great because that's a choice B. We're done.